So during the summer, I have been teaching headstand in my class. So of course, not everybody would want to go up or can go up headstand. So for most people, it's half headstand, but some people so tried, and some people gone up, or some people's halfway there. So it's quite interesting, exciting things we do in that. And just the other day, I was talking to another yoga teacher, and she was saying how empowering headstand is. And we were agreeing, because I really think headstand is empowering and transformative. For a normal, ordinary people, I really think headstand is most transformative things you can do in your daily life without really getting out of your normal daily routine. And today I just want to talk a little bit why I find headstand really fascinating and really why I love teaching headstand. So I said many times before in different settings that I was not very healthy child. I had quite a lot of health issues, so I wasn't very sporty. After my health improved, I still didn't have much physical confidence, so sports was not my thing. So I didn't have physical confidence. I was not one of those kids who's chosen for the teams. I was always the shy one, didn't want to do much sports. And that really changed. So when I started doing yoga, that was in my very late 20s, I really started to appreciate health, mental health, physical health benefit. But it's really when I started learning headstand, and when I learned headstand, it really changed the way I see myself, changed the way how I always thought what I thought I was. And I realized I'm more than that. I can do more. So in many ways, I could say that headstand changed my life. So I just want to talk a little bit about this. So one way that I think headstand is really powerful is it teaches you resilience. So it doesn't happen overnight, as you can see. So you need to learn. You need to learn technique. You need to practice. And not only that, it's not something that you go to your first yoga class and you can do. You need to build up towards it. So you need to do some yoga before your body is capable of do headstand. So headstand is not terribly difficult. It's actually much easier than lots of people think. But still, you need to really learn it, apply yourself, and you need to practice. So it teaches you resilience. Also, most people have fear of falling. It's a bit scary. And you need to overcome that fear. And actually, if you do fall, it's not as bad as you think. It's just a matter of rolling, rounding your back, release the hand and just roll. It's not. Then second thing I was going to say is teaches you to be out of your comfort zone and also leap of faith. So to learn headstand, you need to trust the system, trust the technique, trust your teacher, and more than everything else, you need to trust your own ability. So you throw yourself. When you do headstand, nobody's 100% sure that they can, because it's something they've never done. But you have to have some sort of faith in your ability to do this and really throw yourself into something which is not 100% sure. So that's really another like a leap of faith. You do something which you don't 100% certain. You're not 100% certain. And also this relates to overcoming the self-imposed limitations. So maybe each week I teach probably about a little bit less than 100 people. And so out of 100 people, every summer, every season, when I teach series of headstand, handful of people learn to do headstand for the first time. So, and most people are very modest and they wouldn't celebrate, but you can tell they're very happy. And people tell me afterwards that what transformative things it is. And so many people say, I never thought I could. And so many people also say, I thought I was too old. I thought I was too fat. I thought I was too stiff. I thought I was too weak. So all these things, people have their self-image. They see themselves with limitations, and the people go beyond these. To me, it's when I first learned, they are really literally, I never thought I could anything like that because, as I said, I wasn't a very healthy, sporty person. So it was just something like going stand upside down the head. It's really beyond what I thought I could do. And finally, I want to say headstand helps you to rewrite your self-image. So not necessarily headstand, but if you achieve something which you previously believed impossible, then now you see yourself differently. You see yourself more stronger, more confident, more capable person. And these are really a big learning about your life. So, of course, headstand is not the only thing. But headstand is not just about learning yoga poses, or maybe you think it's showy postures, but it's not something flashy, showy, advanced yoga pose. But it's really about discovering your own strength, discovering your own courage and own possibility inside you, not just a physical possibility, but what your mentally you can. Because as you probably see, headstand is not just about the body. You need to go beyond what you think you could do. So of course, headstand is not the only posture. The camel pose, the things like back bends, camel pose, sun salutation, or even just coming to yoga class is beyond your comfort zone. And not just yoga, lots of things in life challenges you, like learning to play some musical instrument, swimming, running, learning new languages, maybe traveling on your own, alone, abroad where you've never been. All these things, everything which you just have to push beyond your comfort zone. These things really have so much to teach you. And really, when you think about it, life is not about staying still. Life is not about staying safe in your comfort, safe area, but it's about moving on and it's about expanding. So in that sense, headstand has a lot to teach us. It's not just about the physical postures, but it's really about you and how you see yourself, how you relate, and what you do in your life. Okay, thank you.